Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we meet again on my presentation. So, for right now, I will explain my independent English learning plan for career development on English language profession. So, before we next, let me introduce myself. My name Rival Stefanus with my ID student 2313 025 016, and I'm from Informatic Technology Education, Lampung University. Okay, we next. For the slide number 2, I will explain my career goal and the role of English part 1. My dream is to become an ICT teacher who teaches fundamental networking skill. I am to guide students in understanding concepts like IP configuration, subnetting, and network topologies. English is essential in this career because, for the first, most networking tutorials and documents are in English. Second, certification exam, for the example CCNA certificate, are English based. And the third, online communities and learning resources use English. And for the career goal and the role of English part 2, at here, require English skill because for the first reading at here, I mean understand technical documents looks like Cisco and Microtik. And number 2 is listening. At here, I have to follow English tutorials on YouTube or podcast. And number 3, speaking. At here for the explain networking concept clearly in English. And for the last is writing. I have to summarize materials and write teaching a note. Okay, at slide number 4, at here, my learning plan with SMART goals. For the S, specific. At here, understand networking instruction in English. For M, measurable, able to complete hands-on tasks based on English resource. And for A, achievable, at here I have to study 30 until 60 minutes daily. And for the R, relevant, uh, supports my career as an ICT teacher. And for the last, time bound, at here achieve this within 4 months. Okay, for the learning schedule and the strategies in slide number 5, for daily schedule, for Monday, I watch English tutorials videos, and for Tuesday, I read networking articles, and for Wednesday, I write summaries, for Thursday, I listening practice, and Friday, forum or study group, and Saturday, vocabulary plus Cisco laboratory, and Sunday, uh, I'm making a reflection for my study. For the platform and resource, I use a Duolingo, BBC Learning English, and Cisco NetAcad, and YouTube for network chat. And next for slide number 6, at here evaluation of implementation. For the challenge phase, for the first, technical vocabulary is difficult. Very difficult for myself, for me, And number 2, maintaining daily consistency. And number 3, understanding fast spoken in English. That's all is challenge for my study. And the strategies used. For the solve problem, number one, I use English subtitles. That so help to me, yeah. And number two, join Telegram study group. And number three is create a fixed weekly schedule. Okay, at here for adjustment and improvements, number one, adjust learning time from 60 minutes to 30 minutes to avoid burnout. And number two, edit vocabulary list with visual examples. And number three, start using voice recording to improve speaking confidence. Okay, at here for slide number 8, evidence of learning. Yeah, we can see it here, yeah. For this picture is a Duolingo application, and for this one it is a Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, for the reflection, what worked? The first, watching videos with subtitle. Second, weekly journaling boost writing skill. And for the third, Telegram groups give a motivation. What didn't work? For the first, reading long documents without glossary. That is so not yes, that is so didn't work, yeah. And studying late at night. So for improvementnya, I use a flashcard for technical terms, and for the last, I set weekly speaking goals with self-recording. Yeah, for slide number 10, at here we can read, yeah, conclusion and the future plans. For number one, I have improved my English skill and can now follow most beginner networking tutorials in English. And number two, my plan is to take the official CCNA exam next year. And number three, I will continue learning through Coursera and build my own English-based teaching materials. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you for watching me. I hope we can meet again. So thank you for watching me. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.